Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. So, we're back for a new analysis on crypto. We're going to start right away with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is dropping a bit on the 1 hour chart. So, nothing alarming, but we need to keep an eye on what it's doing. Because I told you in the last video that we had divergence with this top here, and this top here, which shows divergence compared to the RSI and the MACD. So potentially we might see a correction. It could just be a correction for this particular move. So we had this move here. We could see a correction like this before continuing upward. But there's also the risk of a potential running daily, which we'll look at right now. So I'm going to switch to the daily chart. So here we have this move, this retracement here, that's standing alone. So there's a risk and potentially we could see a move like this in the meantime. So either we get the correction I mentioned earlier, or we'll see a response to this move here, meaning a move of the same magnitude to continue the upward trend. So the advantage of this correction is that it still means we're in a bullish trend. But on the short term, we could see a drop. So that would be an opportunity to look for buying positions. So let's take a closer look. So that would logically mean if we were to start a significant wave C, specifically the C wave on the 4 hour or even the daily chart, we could potentially come all the way back down to thoroughly retest the crucial $93,000 or even the $80,000 levels. There you go, indeed. Well, we'll have time to see it, we'll keep an eye on it, but it's important to keep it in mind, to be aware of it. For now, it still hasn't broken the previous low. There's nothing telling us that we're really going to be bearish in the medium term. What we have here is just a drop. So for now, I'm waiting for a correction to this move, another drop. As long as we consistently stay above this significant low, I am actively looking to buy to decisively break the top again. Next, let's take a closer look at the popular cryptocurrency, Ethereum. So, Ethereum has actually retraced quite a significant bit, at least a little, down to around $4,200. So for the time being, I genuinely don't really see any significant loss of momentum at all. I'm waiting for the structure to end, meaning I'm waiting for the drop to lose steam so I can look for a buy setup and break the top again. So I have this little downtrend, 15 minutes, 1 hour. So I'm going to wait. That will give us an opportunity. So that's good. Next we have WIF. It is indeed a significant one. So if it's ranging, if it's correcting, that means it wants to keep going up. So what do I have internally here? So for now, I have two moves. So I have one move here, one move there. So either it gives us a C, a third move, it comes to break the bottom, so it breaks through 63 cents and then keeps going up. Or it gives us a running, meaning that it will come and break through the very top directly, indicating a strong and decisive movement. So I have my A, I have my B here, and I would wait for a C that doesn't break 60 cents. Still aiming for an upward move. There you go. So same thing, a good opportunity to keep an eye on. So that's it for this update. Feel free to leave a comment if you want me to analyze another crypto. And thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the likes. See you next time. Have a great day. Bye.